Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Just doing another unboxing video. Keeping it simple today. Looking at unboxing some Bburagos, Greenlight Collectibles, a die-cast bicycle, and a Cadillac Escalade. The Bburagos is a Bugatti Chiron and a Lamborghini Centenario. They're both 143 scale. The Greenlight Collectibles is a Robocop Ford Taurus police car, and the bicycle is a 1:10 scale die-cast metal. And the last one in today's video is going to be a Cadillac Escalade with a little action figure that came along with the box, and that's a 1:32 scale. Alright, sit back and relax, and let's start unboxing these one by one. Okay, the first one we're looking at today will be a 2-pack that was released by Bburago, part of their twin pack Italian design series. They're both 143 scale. I'll get them out of the box and we can have a closer look. Okay, that's with the outer packaging gone. They both come in this little thermocol rack. The Bugatti is a navy blue, and the Lamborghini Centenario is a gray, charcoal gray. Okay, let's take a look at them one by one. Okay, that's the Bugatti Chiron out of the pack. It's got a nice blue or navy blue color scheme. It's a pretty neat release. I like Bburago's 1:18 scale, but this one is a 1:43. It's still pretty neat when it comes to decals and details. Chrome exhaust, tail lights, side view mirrors, cool rims, and just a pretty nice and detailed finish. I just think a lot of brands are coming out with 1:43 scale now, because even Hot Wheels is doing them. They've had the Lamborghini Countach, a Jeep Wrangler, a Corvette, and a Ford Mustang Mach 1. They're all in 1:43 scales. Okay, the second one in the pack is a Lamborghini Centenario, 1:43 scale. Pretty neat color combination, color scheme. It's gray with yellow contrast. It's got black wheels and rims, side view mirrors, glass headlights. There's no opening parts like doors or hood of the bonnet. Quite a nice release from Bburago, and one of my favorite models too. Okay, let's go ahead and look what's next in line. We're looking at a Greenlight Collectibles Robocop. It's a 1986 Ford Taurus LX. It's part of Greenlight's Hollywood series. It's 1/64 scale. They're pretty detailed. I really love Greenlight releases because they try and stick to the real model as much as possible when it comes to detailing, decals, and everything else. But the only problem with this one is I actually ordered like a bar siren lights, but they've incorrectly sent me this funny looking double headlights or double siren lights with another light in the middle. But it still looks pretty good. It's still a Robocop release, so I'm not going to complain. It's one of my favorite movies, so yeah. All right, let me get him out of the box or the packaging. Okay, that's the car out of the packaging, or the bubble packaging. It's a pretty neat release. 1986 Ford Taurus used in the movie Robocop as a police car. And I really love the artwork that came along with it. It's one of my favorite movies, and I had to get this one to be part of my collection. I know they've made Robocop 2 and 3, but this one just stands out. And the 2014 release was pretty average, in my opinion, but I still watched it, but I've watched this like 20 or 25 times and still never get bored. Okay, let's take a closer look at the car now. Okay guys, that's the Ford out of the pack now. Really awesome finish. I really love, and I've been collecting a lot of Greenlight collectibles because they definitely stand out. They're not as intricately detailed or finely detailed like your mini GTs or your Inno 64s or your Tarmac Works, but at the same time, compared to your regular Matchbox Hot Wheels car culture or boulevards and premium releases, this one really does a good job. I thought they only do like police cars and service vehicles, but they do a lot of muscle cars, Cadillacs, your pickup trucks, Hollywood releases and stuff, and they definitely stand out as collector's items. You can take a look closely. You've got the number plate, you've got the siren lights in the front, headlights painted white with blinkers, you got the Detroit Police logo, you got those two siren lights on top, side view mirrors, rubber tires, tail lights, reverse lights, Ford logo, blinkers. And it's like Hot Wheels Boulevard or Car Culture series. Even the chassis or the underneath is made out of solid metal, so it's slightly heavier than a regular 1/64 scale diecast car. Okay, moving on. Next one in today's diecast unboxing video is a 1:10 scale diecast metal bicycle. I'm just a diecast enthusiast, a collector, a diecast aficionado, so I pretty much collect anything that's a diecast release. I've got construction vehicles, service vehicles, diecast aeroplanes, motorbikes, trucks, you name it. Alright, let's just get this bicycle out of the box and packaging and take a closer look. Okay guys, that's the bicycle out of the bubble pack or the blister pack. I really love it. Looks pretty sleek and slim. It's fully die cast with plastic parts like your plastic brakes, a plastic seat, a plastic water bottle. But it's got a metal frame, metal wheels, metal spokes, rubber tires. Looks pretty cool in my opinion, and I'm glad I purchased it. I quite like it actually. Looks pretty neat and well finished. Let's see if you can actually pedal this thing. Oh yeah, you can. So this is actually pretty awesome. Okay guys, last vehicle in today's unboxing video is a 1:32 scale Cadillac Escalade. It's just some random Chinese model that I bought online, and I think it's got moving parts like your doors open, the bonnet opens up, the boot opens up. I don't know if the wheels turn. Let's have a quick look. I'll get him out of the box and unscrew him off the stand, and let's take a closer look. Okay, I got him out of the outer packaging, the cardboard boxing and stuff, and it's 1:32 scale, but they've packed it the way they would pack a 1:18 scale with a nice display stand and extra support. Okay, let's unscrew it and take a closer look. Okay guys, that's the car out of the pack. I really love the finish and the quality. It's fully die cast with rubber wheels, chrome rims, sunroof, a beautiful grille with the Cadillac logo. Side mirrors. It's got some nice navy blue color scheme and some contrast with the chrome decals. It's got pretty awesome tail lights with the Cadillac logo in the back as well. It's got chrome exhaust. It's got the decals, Cadillac Escalade 600. Okay, let's go ahead and look at the opening parts on the vehicle. Okay, it's pretty detailed for the size and scale. I love the opening doors, and not just the front two, all 4 doors open. There's not a great deal of detailing inside, but you can see the steering wheel, the dash, seats, the sunroof. You got the boot open. That's the front bonnet or hood. It came with this little guy action figure, but I wish he had more articulation or movable joints. You could try and sit him inside the car or the vehicle, the SUV, but for now, he's just gonna have to stand on top. It's pretty similar to the RoboCop I have in the background. I wish Robo was more flexible. We could have posed him sitting inside the car or getting out of the car and recreate the movie poster, but sadly it's just a statue kind of thing. Just a plain old figure. Can't really pose much with him. So back to the Cadillac. This guy probably looks more like a salesman at a Cadillac showroom. Oh well, it's a freebie with the vehicle. I'm not complaining. Alright guys, that's all the vehicles we looked at today in the unboxing video. The two Bburago models, 143 scale, your Bugatti Chiron and Lamborghini Centenario. The die-cast bicycle, the Greenlight RoboCop 4 Taurus, and the 1:32 scale Cadillac Escalade with a little action figure. I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing video today. If you like what you see, please do hit the like button and subscribe, and share this video with your family and friends who love collecting die-cast cars. Thanks for watching guys. Stay blessed. God bless you all, and I'll see you in the next unboxing videos. See you guys.